So last fall I planted some garlic cloves in my garden bed. Let's check on them and see how they're doing. Quick fit check. Dropping off the kids. Madewell, Alex L. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. May not look like your average gardener, but your girl gardens. Let me just show you. Come, come, come. So I kind of left it out here, right? I put them in the garden bed in the soil. Look, it's like a little baby whole bulb, right? It was one individual, like a bunch of individual cloves. That's what the internet said. Put a bunch of individual cloves. Now it seems that this has got like the soil knocked off of it, but you can clearly see that there's a whole bulb forming from the one clove that I put in. I'm gonna go ahead and just recover this, cover this up again. Bunch of them, right? I planted a bunch of them earlier in the fall because some of them you need for them to like just get cold and then it'll like stimulate the growth pattern of it. So the internet said firmly rooted in here. So I'm excited. And yes, it smells very, very garlicky. Another one here, firmly rooted, but I'm gonna keep y'all posted. I have to come back to see how this all plays out, but it's looking good. It's looking good.